Good afternoon to all of our new teachers. I want to take this opportunity to welcome you to the 2024-2025 academic school year here at Cleveland College Preparatory School. I am so delighted to serve you as your educational leader. Listen, in just a few days, you'll be returning to campus, or some of you will be starting a new school year with us here at Cleveland College Preparatory School. I just want to let you know August 1st through August 2nd, you will be with us at the University of Cleveland College Preparatory School to prepare to embark upon your journey as a new teacher here at Cleveland College. Hey, listen, I'm going to send you an email with all of the agendas, etc. But I wanted to take this opportunity to welcome all of you, whether you are serving as an instructional support team member or a classroom instructor. Please understand, we didn't hire you just to be a follower. We hired you to be a leader, and we want you to help us transform this educational environment into a world class, high class, impactful, very safe, very nurturing, and very loving learning environment. Again, welcome. And I'm so excited to see you on August 1st. Enjoy the rest of the time you have off, and you will be receiving this video via email. And I hope to see you soon. Have a great day, everybody.